Ba Preston Song, Sembut Mjirangba, Berikmi, Ekatrat Kampo Yang Kasorkar Jella, Habakran Shigla Psai Kubor, Janmit Lipotrek Naitung Japan Rio, Halo Jingdon Jinklumar, Shisngi Shaban Donbiang, Public Hearing, Halum Serman, Bantarwa Klong Motion, the Shree Cement Limited, Long, Bthah Deputy Commissioner, but SP East Giant Hills District, Ban Pynthikna, Bakan Omdan, Huri-Hura, Shushu Long Babun Kyrshan, Shree Cement Limited, Walaki Donruki Bapersha. Henry public hearing kan nega ransan banyak penpau cingsau ki pajba halor ke cingterwa swaban simpat ya gerai.
So in fact we have already instructed the district administration to be more proactive on this issue, handle it well. So let us see. As of now I can't say anything on that, but let us see, because we have already instructed them very clearly to both DC and SP. I think, see, if you read only from one page, it is like that. If you go from the second page, massive demand also that it should be there. Not only demand to cancel, but a massive demand also to go ahead. You understand my point? So we see, because see, hearing is very important. Ultimately, through hearing only you can decide things. Because as I said to you, there are people sometimes, they talk about environmental issue. We are equally concerned about this issue. At the same time, environmental issues is being taken care of not by the subject of state government, by the central government. The act is very strong. The act is very clear. We cannot bend even a single clause on that matter. Okay, so therefore, if you talk about the environmental issues, everything is there, black and white, it has to be complied. And then next, you have to also consider one issue which is very important, and that is the economic issue. That also is there, where, that's what I'm saying. People, they said, we need more cement companies to be there in East Giant Hills, because they have seen it. A number of cement factories located over there. We have seen it. Even the village committee and all. They told me a few days back. We really get maximum benefit out of this. The company and the Dorbar Shillong and everybody, they worked so well, and then they even contributed a lot of developmental programs conducted or done by the village authority. So therefore, my only concern is about law and order, but we have already instructed the district administration to be more proactive on this, make sure that the law and order is maintained at any cost.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya